Introducing Amazon Affiliate Profits video course. Are you ready to become a super Amazon affiliate a lot faster? Did you know that most people learn a lot faster when they see something being done on video than by just reading about it? That's because most people out there are visual learners. How do you normally learn the best? Although the guide you just purchased gives you a step-by-step approach to making six figures with Amazon the easy way, but many of the Amazon marketing hacks require you to pay very close attention to the details to get the best results possible. If you miss any of the most important details or do things the wrong way, you may miss out on the fullest benefits offered inside the guide. For that very reason, I put together a video version to make it much easier to get positive results quickly.